I feel like this course was so transformative, and it even saved my life.
Hey, I really rocked. It really rocked. Yay.
And just to have somebody that, or many people that look and say, okay, this works. I was always like, does this work? Does this work? Does this, is this transition working? And just having separate eyes is really, really useful.
And like, there was definitely like a point where I was kind of like, am I gonna run out of momentum? Like, is this not gonna, like, am I gonna run out of whatever it is that's making me do this? And I realized now that that is not gonna happen,
I scripted like 2 mini comics and I finished one of them, and I did like 80 thumbnails for another project. So I feel like that is a lot of thumbnails for, but I don't think that I would have gotten nearly as far or have done nearly as much if I didn't have you guys.
And the community here has helped me realize that I have some talent. I have something funny and maybe even something important to say in this book.
This thing, the mentorship has been amazing. The feedback, the questions, everything about it has been wonderful.
Even if one person buys it, I'm going to have something out there that anybody that wants can come and get.
And I just started drawing every day. I've been drawing every day for 6 months now. And it's just like blown everything up in my world, because I feel like I really found a home. Like, I am a graphic novelist. This is what I am.